Yeah, wahoo. I don't know why I started recording like 10 seconds earlier than I needed to, but whatever. Found the server. What does this do? Oh no, someone died. Someone's die. Oh no. Jello. How cool does that look? Because I'm not gonna use it over this. This is just better for my needs, but... Oh yeah, it looks basically the same because it is impossible to read anything from my mess of a character. Shirt. I might have to take this opportunity down here to just check this shit out. Yeah, I'm killing shit. Wowzers. I think my neighbors are doing construction because I'm hearing loud noises. Philosopher's Stone might actually be pretty nice. Probably take it over Honey Balloon, which was also in the chest. Lol. Cactus leggings. Yep, read it and weep. Crystal piano. Read it and weep. Sow it and reap. Cool. Not. Ooh. The level of tonnage is unreal. Star Wrap, yo! Okay! It's finally something that could be considered an upgrade, because, look, I like the Tsunami, but... You know, you just pack more punch. Whoa. Transgender. This is worse than that time Niles called me a sissy. Okay, another star wrap. That's pretty cool. I got crafting recipes. I'm gonna put this down so I can expand my horizons. Actually, I am curious. Are the chlorophyte extractinators loot randomized? Okay, no, that still works normal. Wait, that doesn't work? Oh, damn. Huh. I didn't know that. Yeah, no, I know, I opened that. Really hold on to a workbench. I don't know why I haven't been doing that. I'm holding on to the adamantite forges. Not a ton of note here, but like, in other worlds it could be. And that was the 21 plum salute.